guys, I'm Richard Beck with Beck Tools, and I'm here at Late Show 2025 and excited to show off some of the stuff that we do here at Beck Tools. My primary flagship product is the 2x72 mill grinder. This is a DIY build kit. It's a tab and slot plate kit. It features a half-inch thick D plate, a 3/8 thick motor plate, and a really, really rigid tracking arm setup. It also has multi-axis tracking. The benefit here is you get all of this stuff minus the motor for $499 on the website. I don't really do sales. I just have the best price all the time. That's kind of my thing. And I also have a disc grinder. This is similar. It's a laser cut tab and slot product. It ships free. All of my shipping is free. And the last thing I've started to do is I'm introducing CNC machining services. So if you have an idea that you want to take to the next level, but you don't know how to produce it, I've been designing products for 19 years, and I can help you with that side. I can take your idea, make it a product, you sell it as your own. So CNC services is a new leg of Beck Tools. So that's kind of